what's up guys? It's Yanni from 801 Garage. We are going to be doing some more vinyl work today. So on, I don't know why they do this, but on most cars, either this bottom piece right here around the windows or this top piece is in chrome. Now if you dig it, that's cool. I mean, everyone has their own kind of preference on what they like on these things, but I'm not a huge fan of all the chrome that comes on these cars. So all the chrome is gone on the back for the taillights, and so now it's time to get rid of the chrome on here. So I've got some vinyl to cover this up, and we are going to get that on there. So let's get started. This is what it looks like. So we've got 3 pieces, one for each side on this. So that super long one is obviously for this front one, and then we got this one, and then the wider one. So you shouldn't really mess up on grabbing the wrong ones. All you're gonna need to do this is, just like before, we've got our trusty little spray bottle here with some water, nothing special on that. We've got our squeegee with a felt tip, and just in case we need it, we've got our heat gun. Okay guys, so when you're doing this, again, make sure that the surface is nice and clean. I went ahead and before the video started, just clean this off with just some soapy water. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. You don't need to detail your car before this. However, I do need to clean my car. So we're going to put on this just back piece first, which is going to be just that wider piece in your kit of vinyl. Okay, so I'm going to spray this down. Spray down my vinyl, of course on the back end where it's sticky, and then just kind of align it on here. And it should just fit perfectly on there. I mean, it is pre-cut, and so it should just fit nice and snug. So I'm just going to grab my squeegee and just kind of dig it into the crease and just run it along the edge so that it can just do its thing. And same with the bottom. Now just over here on the edge where we've just got a little bit left over, I'm just going to hit it with my heat gun just a little bit to shrink it. And then that's it. Okay, that's awesome. I'm actually super impressed with this, with the fitment on this. Okay, second one is going to be the second longest piece that you've got on your vinyl tape. And just when you're lining it up, there's one piece that has kind of a sharp corner, and then one that's squared off. So that's kind of how you can tell which side to put it on. Just like before, get your area wet. Spray the sticky part of the vinyl. Don't drench it, but you do want to get it a little wet. So I'm just going to stick that corner and then just align the rest of it. And then just remember, work out bubbles towards the top or the bottom. If you see a bubble, don't drag it along because you're going to cause creases. So just push them out towards one of the top or the bottom. Alright, now time for this last one. This one's a little bit bigger, so it's going to, I mean, it's not necessarily harder. This isn't really a very difficult thing to do. But what I'm going to do is just kind of take it over here from the back. Stick it, and then stick it here, and then go to the front, and then I'll kind of move it around. Now guys, if you need to peel it up just like that and make some adjustments to it, don't be scared to do so. As long as you're not doing it too much, there's nothing wrong with peeling the vinyl off and then just putting it on again. Just be careful not to do it too many times, but if you do mess up a little bit, just it's fine. Just go ahead and take it off and then reapply it. Don't take the whole thing off, but just take off a little portion that we needed to adjust and then put it back on. That one turned out really good actually. So I have just a little bit of extra back here that I'm just going to cut off with a pair of scissors, and then we'll be good. Okay, let's do some comparison now. So here's what it looks like with the chrome delete all done. I personally like it a lot. Now with the one that I ordered, you get two options. You can either do glossy or matte. If you really want it to match with the bottom, this is more of a matte finish. And so if you get that one, then the top and the bottom will match. I personally like the shiny finish better, so I did the shiny. But if you want it to match, then you would just pick the matte instead. Okay, so this is done. And then chrome. So you guys can kind of get an idea which one you like better. Again, I personally just like the blackout look better, like that. Okay, so now we're just going to do the other side real quick and then we'll be all done. Hey guys, so I was editing the video and I realized I actually never made an outro for it. Thanks for watching today, guys. Also, proof that I own more than one hat. A few of you guys were saying that every single day I just wear that white hat. No, it just so happens that I'm always wearing it every time I film. So, thanks for watching the video today, guys. If you have any questions, this one was also pretty straightforward. There was a spot or two that the vinyl wasn't sticking very well, but it was very, very small pieces, and I ended up just being able to heat it up, and it worked out just fine. So, once more, guys, Yanni from 801 Garage, thank you so much for watching. Also, once again, thank you for all my current subscribers, and if you're not already subscribed or already part of the Barrel Squad, click the following buttons down below, and I'll see you guys next video.